This year, local clinics are seeing more people come in earlier than last with allergy symptoms. That's partially because fewer people this year got the flu, which means allergy symptoms are being covered up by those more serious flu symptoms. Now, I talked to people here at Big Spring Park, allergy sufferers and flu sufferers, as well as a nurse practitioner, about how we can expect the flu season to end and allergy season to kick off.
Even if I'm on medicine, someone in my family always ends up getting sick with it, and it really sucks.
This year, Katie Newcomb was the first in her family to catch the flu, but says pretty soon her mom and brother were reaching for the tissues.
I was coughing a lot. It was awful.
North Alabama continues to lead the pack with the highest amount of flu outbreaks. And in Alabama Public Health's most recent numbers, the death toll has risen to 64. But there's some good news. The flu is starting to settle, with less reported cases this time around. Nurse practitioner Cynthia Witten is seeing that in her own clinic here in Huntsville.
Now we're beginning to see the allergies. We're beginning to see the sinus infections and the upper respiratory infections.
This year, Witten is seeing more people head to the clinic earlier in the season with allergy symptoms, partially because the flu hasn't hit Huntsville as hard as it did last year.
We saw a lot more flu a lot later in the year, so that we didn't see the allergies because people were just sick with the flu.
This year, allergies may be less overshadowed by the flu as it tapers off.
Especially as spring comes around and lots of pollen down here.
Pollen.com is already reporting high pollen counts. And as allergy sufferers enjoy the beautiful weather Saturday, they tell me they're feeling it.
With the pollen like crazy, yes it has.
But everyone I talked with Saturday isn't letting allergies slow them down.
We're still getting outside, come down to Big Spring Park and hang out, get our energy out, so that's important.
We still are not out of the woods yet when it comes to flu season. Nurse practitioner Witten recommends getting your flu shot, washing your hands, and if you have to go to the clinic sick, wear a mask. Reporting live in Huntsville, Sierra Phillips, Way 31 News.